Hello guys, welcome to another episode. This episode I have a new product for the 2021 RAV4. This is gonna be for the 2019 and 2021 Toyota RAV4. This is gonna be the wireless charging pad. It's gonna be installed right here in the center console. Okay. So what we have the instructions manual. We have a certificate too, and this is the pad itself. I'm gonna show you in this episode the installation, which is really easy. Also, in the box you're gonna have a little screwdriver just to help you with the new installation. Okay, the first thing that I need to do is put my car in neutral. I'm gonna press the start button twice without pressing the brake. Put it on neutral and turn it off. I'm gonna use one of these tools to remove the center console. Now let's start with the removal. You have this area right here with your tool to remove panels. You can start removing this part. Just be careful. Pull on each corner. Now to remove the shift lever, push down on this part, and on the back of it you're gonna have a little pin. You're gonna have to get that pin out with a little flathead screwdriver. This is the location of the pin. With your flathead, pull it out, remove it, remove your shift lever. Now you can remove your controls. You don't have to disconnect it, we just need access to this part. Once you have that part out, on this one you just pull it up on both ends and pull it out. Now that you have it like that, just disconnect the two connectors. The other one's gonna be this black one. Once you have those two connectors out of the way, there's this white clip that is holding the cables. Okay, we have all the connections out of the way. On the new charging pad, you don't have the cigarette lighter or the USB connector. We have to remove those from the original one. On this one, the USB, it has two clips on each side. See if I can push it with my fingers. You just gotta push it in on each side. Push it and pull it. To remove the cigarette lighter, it has two little cutouts inside, but it's only one with the clip, which is gonna be the one on this side. This one right here is the one that is holding everything in place. We gotta push it out from the inside. You have to really press on it. The cigarette lighter connector is out. Now to remove the top of it, again it has two clips holding it. You can push it from this side. It's gonna have one clip in this side and another one on the other side. Gotta push them in with your same screwdriver. And it's those two right here, this one and that one. Just put your little screwdriver in the middle, push it in, and at the same time pull it to release it. Now we need those four clips to put it on the new one as well. Get these four out. These clips they have a little hook in the middle. So right in the middle, it has two little hooks on each side. That's what's holding it in there. Get all four out. The new charging pad, it has a fuse in here. If for some reason you connect it and it's not working, check the fuse first before you try to return it, because sometimes when they ship the products they get damaged. So check your fuse first. Now transfer everything, the clips, make sure that all of them click in place. Then we're gonna put the top of the cigarette lighter, and it goes only one way. You try to put it the other way, it's not gonna work because it has a little cutout in here. Same thing with the hole in this side, it has a little cutout. Push it all the way in. The cigarette lighter is only one way. Same thing like the top, just it's one way. Push it all the way in until it clicks. Same thing with the USB port. It has these two little cutouts. It goes this way, so everything is one way. You won't miss on that one. Now before we put it in place, connectors. It's gonna be the connector for the cigarette lighter. It's gonna be connected to this part of your connector, and the other one is gonna be connected to the cigarette lighter. So that part now is working, and now we can see the voltage in there. And the brown one goes back to the original connector. Also, the white little clip goes right here, and that's it. You're gonna have a USB port, USB type C on this side, and the voltage of your pad. And now everything goes back the same way. Make sure that your cables stays on the bottom. Okay, we have the new pad in. Now that the pad is in, we put everything back on it. Shift lever. And don't forget your pin. Make sure that the pin clicks in place, and just the cover, push it up and it locks in place. Now that we have the new wireless charging pad, right here in the middle there is a rubber mat. That's exactly where you have to put your cell phone to charge. It's gonna be a fast charging with this one. The start and stop button is right here in the middle. Right now it shows 12.3 volts on the pad. If we press the start stop, it's gonna have a little light. You can see right there, blue is on, off. So let's keep it on. I'm gonna put my phone to charge. I don't think it's gonna charge with the case because I have a mount on the back. So like that, it's not gonna be able to charge. But if I remove the case, place it right in the middle, and it's gonna start charging. And I don't know if you can see right there on the back, once it starts charging, the little light all the way across is gonna turn red. If we turn it off, it's gonna stop charging and the light went out. We press it again. Now it's on and it's charging. You can see over there. If we remove it, the light is gonna turn blue. throw your cell phone, it's gonna start charging. And I don't think vibration is gonna remove your phone because it has that pad, so it's not going anywhere. It's gonna keep charging. As long as you have your red LED over there working, that means that it's charging. When I was checking the website, I think it still says 2019 and 2020. Don't worry about that because still it works on the 2021 because basically it's the same RAV4. Let's check this port with the USB, see if it charges my phone too. Phone is charging. And just to finish, cigarette lighter works, my tire inflator is working. Okay guys, I hope you like this little episode. I want to thank Catherine Home for the product. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna check it out. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.